3 times. Select the 3 channels separately on the upper arm with the kneeling finger, back and forth for 3 times. Caress for 3 times. Keep arm flat. The 3 in channels: lung channel, pericardium channel, and heart channel. At the inner side of the arm with buccal to the armpit. Push each channel for 3 times. Grab 3 channels with kneeling finger, back and forth for 3 times. Rest the whole arm and 2 fingers. Technique: keep arm flat. Push 3 channels from the flat on forearm to armpit. Operate for 3 times. Please note, there will be tinnitus during the 40,000 operation. Don't worry, this is a normal phenomenon. 40,000 operation cannot be used at heart or bones. Move in circles along 3 channels to the armpit. Operate for 3 times.